A few years back, I met a very inspiring person who taught me two amazing lessons in life. The first thing he told me is, Feroz, the recruitment systems are fundamentally flawed because we believe in rejecting people and not selecting them, which is true. Statistically, we reject 99% of the people who come to us. And the reason is that we fundamentally look at what people are not good at rather than focusing on what they are good at. The second amazing lesson he told me was that everybody is good at something. It is for us to find out what they are good at and find a role for them in organizations in a way which is not looked at as charity, but something that makes a lot of business sense. Today, we probably face one of the largest unknown disabilities in the world, which is called autism spectrum disorder. 1 out of every 88 person in the world is autistic. And I've met many children and many parents of children, and all the parents tell me they have only one concern: what happens to their children after they are no longer there? And they say the reason they are worried about this is because these children never get a job, and hence they are never independent. And the reason they never get a job is because the recruitment systems look at two skills that these children don't have. We look at two amazingly important skills, and that is the ability to work in teams and to have good communication skills. You would know that most of the autistics are either non-verbal or non-social or partially verbal and partially social, which means they don't have the skills that we look for when we hire them. We looked at it completely different in our organization and took it up as a challenge and hired 4 autistics, or people who are on the spectrum. And the reason we did that is said, instead of looking at what they are not good at, let's look at what they are good at. And it's amazing that these children have some outstanding skills that we don't realize. Most of them, or at least some of them, have an amazing memory, and that is because they look at the world in pictures. They see the world in pictures, and so they have a fantastic memory without making too much of an effort. And the second thing is that they have the ability to do repeated tasks without getting bored. 2 skills which are absolutely essential in an organization like us, which is in the field of IT, for doing testing activities. You need to also have a fantastic eye for detail. When we hired these 4 autistics to do testing work, we found that over a period of 6 months, these employees were far better than regular engineers. Statistics showed that regular engineers made 80% correct test cases, and they sometimes didn't know how to do it because they forgot the steps. And these children never forgot the complex steps. And more often than not, they got it right. In fact, these children got it right 100% of the time. What we realized is that not only are they good at certain specifics, they're also amazingly good human beings. They never lie. Now, if we can hire people who doesn't necessarily have the greatest attitude, why can't we hire these amazing people who have fantastic attitude and they're good at something, and our responsibility is to find out what they are good at. In the country that I come from, we have 60 million people who are differently abled. And only 1% or less than 1% of them ever get a job in the organized sector. And this is something that we need to change. And I'm not just talking about autistics, I'm talking about different disabilities of all kinds. And we found that if we actually find and put our minds together and look at what people are good at, there is a job for everybody in this world. Ladies and gentlemen, the person who actually inspired me is none other than Thakul Sone, the person who is here, a fantastic person. I'm on the board of an organization called Specialist, and together we want to create 1 million jobs for autistics in the world. We are already in 7 locations, have hired more than 150 autistics across the globe, and inspired 20 other organizations to hire autistics. Thank you so much.